Hey guys, Techmoustache here, and today we're installing the Sengled Smart Wi-Fi LED light bulb. This is a very inexpensive but amazing smart LED bulb. The best part of this, there's no hub required. It runs on Alexa, Amazon, and Google Home devices. So we're going to set this up and add it to our app and show off some of the features of this light bulb. So let's go to our app here. The bulb's installed already in the light socket, so we're going to add this. Go device, smart bulb, scanning for your Wi-Fi network. Let's connect to Wi-Fi. Okay, so the light is flashing and dimming. It is now adding it onto the app, registering with the network. So there we go, congratulations, assign the device to a room. This is in our gaming / studio where we want to enhance the light down here with multicolored options. So we're going to call this bulb 1. Okay. Alright, excellent. So it's now on our Sengled app. So let's check out the light and look at some of the features and lighting options. So let's go into bulb 1. Okay, the light is on, obviously. We can adjust the brightness with the slider and the color temperature. So let's look at the light. We can change the brightness and color temperature here. Daylight, white, soft, and warm. Put it to cool. The best part here is all the multicolored options, 16 million colors. So let's click on neon. There's red, into yellow, into a green, into a light blue, dark blue, into purple, into a pink, and into a red. So down here we have a gaming rig with a lot of red LEDs. So that matches and looks great. So we hope you enjoyed today's video of the Sengled Smart Wi-Fi LED light bulb. This is Techmoustache. Check out the description for product information and more links below. Thank you.